Ukrainian paratroopers stopped Russian attacks on Novomykhailivka. Elite soldiers of the 79th Brigade stopped Putin's armored columns dead. Drone video shows at least 3 tanks and dozens of armored vehicles being blown to bits while trying to attack the town in Donetsk oblast. American Javelin anti-tank rockets were used to thwart the attacks. One piece of video shows a rocket being fired, soaring high into the air before coming down on its target to hit where the armor is weakest and cause maximum damage. More footage shows a second armored column being struck. Multiple vehicles are disabled and abandoned during the attack. One manages to flee the battlefield, but the rest are destroyed. Novomykhailivka is located to the west of Donetsk city. Russia has been attacking it since the middle of winter. More than 100 vehicles have been lost assaulting the town. But it remains in Ukrainian hands.